Greetings and good day. This is Donnie with Tech Winter, and thank you so much for joining me today. Well, guys, I recently received these as a gift. Yes, Earbud cleaning putty. And guys, we're going to give them a try today. A little bit different, a little bit outside the box of what I typically do, but something that I want to see if it has any value for you. So, without any further ado, let's unbox these and let's see how well they do cleaning AirPods. So guys, one thing that I use on a daily basis is my Apple AirPods. And the reality is after a while, you can actually see a degrade in quality simply because there's earwax buildup on these. So a little bit of a different type of video today, but guys, I received these as a gift and I just want to put them to the test. This specific product that we're talking about today actually sells right now on Amazon for $16.99. It has over 5,000 reviews and an average review of 4.3 stars. So seems like it's pretty legit. This is a 24 pack of these putty thingies. So I'm going to go ahead and just kind of open this thing up. Just kind of slides open. And then inside of it, it's got basically these little putty pads, which kind of remind me of like old school sticky tack. So it's pretty cool. But just to kind of give you guys, and this is not for the faint of heart, and I'm slightly embarrassed that I'm even showing these off to you guys, but just to kind of give you like the baseline of what the AirPods look like before. I mean, they're kind of gross. And just kind of that other one there as well. I'm not proud of this, but I mean, there's buildup that happens in these, and this is kind of a part of life, you guys. But just kind of pulling out the putty here, I'm just going to take the first square off of this, and we'll see how quick and how effective this thing is at cleaning. All right, so pulled off the first square, and the really basic instructions are you just press these to the AirPod, and it's supposed to peel off any of the stuff that's in there. I still see stuff inside the AirPod, so oh, I saw some stuff come off that time. So I think that really the only trick recommendation I have here is you just kind of press in as hard as you can and then just release and just kind of rinse and repeat multiple times. So it does look like it's cleaned them for the most part, but there's still some that's getting like pressed in. Interesting. This is not a video I ever expected to be making. All right, so we're just going to repeat that process now with the second one, just to kind of give you guys a reference, a baseline for what that one looks like as well. All right, so same thing, just pressing the putty in. All right, so that's just after a few attempts there, you can kind of see. Still a little bit on the edge, but definitely much cleaner than it was a minute ago. Trying to see how we can do on that, just giving that another look. That is not, I mean, guys, that looks almost brand new. Guys, I'm pretty impressed with what I've seen so far. So also just kind of wanted to see, like, inside the case, sometimes dust just collects around some of these little crevices. So I was just curious to see, like, if I press it on here, does that clean up any of that stuff? Just doing a lot of just the presses of the putty and stuff, just to kind of give you guys the idea there. But I mean, just looking inside there now, it's definitely much cleaner than it was just a minute ago. So guys, just comparing these to what they were like before, I mean, they're in a much better position now, much better shape than they were. So I gotta say this product does work. And I would say I got it as a gift, but well worth the investment just to keep stuff clean. And the nice thing about this is it's not something you're gonna have to do all the time, but basically I'm just gonna toss this little square of old grossness now at this point. But guys, this is one time where I can say that the Amazon reviews didn't lie. The product actually works, and here within just a couple of minutes, my AirPods went from being pretty nasty gross to being almost again like new. So again, product is $16.99. Actually, right now, it looks like they have a save 5% with your coupon. I'll put the link in the description, so go check that out. So thank you so much for joining me. And if you haven't already, I ask you to consider liking and subscribing and hitting that bell notification so that you're always staying up to date with new content as it's uploaded. But for now, I'm Donnie with Tech Winter, helping you keep your AirPods clean. You guys have a great day.